Hi everyone, I am Ria from Yatha Realty, and today I am bringing you a project that's not just premium, it's extraordinary. We are standing at a location where city life means some needs. Yes, this is Adani Lush 10 by Adani Realty, a 4 BHK ultra luxury home designed to offer you a mountain-like living experience right in the front of the heart of Dwarpahari, Sector 2. Stay with me because what you're about to see will blow your mind. Nestled right on the Gurgaon-Faridabad road, Lushland enjoys seamless connectivity to South Delhi, Faridabad and key roads like Golf Course Road, Gurugram. And it doesn't end here. You are also just 10 minutes drive from Ambience Mall, Cyber Hub and just 20 minutes from Delhi International Airport. You will get sunlight pouring in from multiple directions every single day. This project covers 9 acres, out of which 70% lush forest area. It's like having your own private sanctuary, isn't it? One of the most unique highlights, there is zero vehicle movement on the ground floor. Investment here starts from 9.97 crore. Now, let's step inside your dream 4 BHK, spread across an enormous 4,750 square feet. The entrance opens into a foyer that leads you to the drawing area, designed with Italian marble flooring. The attached 8x8 balcony connects both the lounge and drawing room. From here, you will have unblocked views of the Aravali Hills for life. Let's head to the master bedroom. It's huge, with wooden flooring and another L-shaped balcony. Now, the walk-in closet here could literally be a separate room. It's that spacious, and the attached bathroom is nothing short of a spa. There's where you pamper yourself. The second bedroom is right opposite the master again. Wooden flooring, a walk-in closet, attached bathroom and its own private balcony. The kids' bedroom is thoughtfully designed, ample space for beds, a study setup and wardrobes. Now, in the kitchen, it's a modern modular setup with marble slab counters. You will get 2 access points, one from inside and another from the running balcony. Even the servant room has been designed generously. Most homes compromise here, but not Lushland. There is sufficient space, natural light, and even a proper attached washroom. Let me now walk you through the 3D model of this unique development. There are 4 towers. Tower A goes up to 32 floors, Tower B to 22, and each tower features exclusive penthouses, including duplex units on the 8th floor. The project offers 30 plus premium amenities, including 2 7-star clubs, one for sports with an infinity pool and the other for social events. And here's the soul of the project, natural forest cover with no concrete underneath, so trees grow in real soil. There are gazebos, walking trails, sit-out spaces and even natural play zones for children. With just 208 residences across 9 acres, you are looking at low-density living, only 20 homes per acre. To wrap it up, Lushland is not just a home, it's a sanctuary. Wake up to the forest trails, sip your evening tea with hill views and live in a space where luxury blends seamlessly with nature. If this sounds like a dream lifestyle, let's turn into reality. Book your site visit now with Yatha Realty.